Hello CraftDee Family, and welcome to another tutorial by She's So Crafty. For today's DIY project, we will be creating this 3-tiered tray stand using a vintage bedpost. This tray stands 18 inches in height and uses baking pans from the Dollar Tree. This project is easy to make with candle holders as well. Please see the description box below for all of the supplies and tools used to create this project. I am very excited to share this tutorial with you, but before we start, I wanted to say welcome back to my current and my new subscribers to my channel. If you're a new visitor to my channel today and you love to create fun and easy DIY projects on a budget, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also click that notification bell so you will be the first to know when a new DIY tutorial is ready to share with you. So now, let's just jump right into the project. For this project, you will need 1 cookie pan, 1 brownie pan, and 1 square cake pan. You want to start by removing all of the labels from the pans. So now what we want to do is to find the center of each pan. What we're going to do is we're going to measure vertical and horizontal on each pan and then mark the center with a circle with a marker. And here they are, all marked. For the middle support, I'm going to be using one of these bed posts that I purchased from my local Habitat for Humanity store for $1.25 each. I just love the detail in these and thought they would be perfect to showcase in this project. To cut this down to size, I will be using my trusty old miter saw. Now I'll be cutting these down into 3 sections that are about 6.5 inches each. And here they are. They're all cut and ready to go. Now to assemble the trays, I will be using some E6000, a high temperature glue gun, and this Liquid Nails construction level adhesive. So we're going to go ahead and start with our cookie pan. So we're going to go ahead and apply some of that liquid nails in the center. And then we're going to follow up with some E6000 around it. And then finally, we're just going to put a bead of that hot glue on the base of the post. Then we're going to firmly press that into place until the hot glue sets, about 10 or 15 seconds. Now we're going to go ahead and repeat this adhesive process on the top of that center post. And then we're going to go ahead and add that brownie pan on top. And we're going to press that firmly in place as well. Now after all 3 tiers are added, this will be your final result. Now we're going to take it outside and we're going to go ahead and prepare it to paint. Now I will be using this Krylon Satin White spray paint. Now we want to apply 2 or 3 light coats to avoid any drips or runs. And here is what it will look like when it's fully painted. So now that it is dry, we can go ahead and start adding the enamel chip accents. I will be using this acrylic paint in the color Pavement. We want to go ahead and take a fine brush and apply the paint around the edges of each pan. Now there's no need to be neat here, since the chipping and wear is very random. This is the look that we are going to be headed for. Now we want to repeat this process with your center post and the inner pan as well. And this will be your final result. Now all we have to do is let this fully dry and cure, and you are done. And here is your final completed project. Okay, this 3-tier stand, oh my gosh, it turned out wonderful. I love that the way the enamel chipping effect turned out on this piece. You can then personalize the stand with your own decor and really bring out the beauty in this piece. The trays are very roomy, and this will allow space for you to add lots of your favorites for display. I love that the way the enamel wear carried on to the center post as well, and it makes the entire piece cohesive. And happy holidays! Just look how you can customize this for Christmas. Okay, these vibrant colors, they truly make the details in this stand just pop out. Now this is sure to be a conversation piece in your home with your guests. Listen, if you enjoyed this project, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments how you would decorate this 3-tier stand in your home. Thank you again for visiting and checking out my tutorial. If you like videos like these and you don't want to miss the next one, go ahead and click that subscribe button below and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.